see, is the mind. Like, what I tell my boxers when they come, I told you every 6 months I'd open up. I say, look, 90% of boxing is mind. There's a very important physical component. Very important, right? That 10% of physical, you have to master. This is true. See, but the rest is mind. You don't control your mind, you're going to lose, no matter how good you are physically. Because skill is also a function of mind. It's not a function of just training your body. Yes, you need to train your body. I'm not saying you don't need to train your body, because it's a physical thing. Yeah. So, but mind is the important part. It's like switching fields. Yeah. See, I loved. I was into football when the 49ers, that San Francisco was I come from, were on top. And they were winning Super Bowl after Super Bowl after Super Bowl because they had all just great fucking players, And that was before they passed these rules and stuff like that to break up the team. So that you couldn't, they didn't allow, because after, it's like, no, everybody gets on one team. The rest of the teams and the rest of the cities, you see, they don't stand a chance. And so they passed rules, so now, and then all of those guys had to get split up into different teams. So now you say every city, yeah, let's crack at it, and then some get better, some worse, like that, but they all got a crack at it kind of deal. But before that, they had some really good players in the 49ers. This guy. And the guy I admired most was the quarterback. Yes, thank you, Joe Montana. I spaced in the name. Joe Montana. And he's a relatively small guy, relatively slight of build. Seems like a relative, probably a nice guy. Mild temperament, And the thing is, and him and Rice were just really connected. They were really connected. Rice was the guy who caught the ball. Anyway, but the thing is that impressed me most is this is mine, you see. I mean, skill, had skill, but then everybody else had skill too, Most quarterbacks have a lot of skill. I mean, they can move around like that, see? But it's what they do when they do it. And the thing we watched about him every single time is that he's moving, and you've got these huge guys trying to kill him, right? They're going to try and take him out, and they can. For example, once he stepped down, Young took over, and Young was very good. He studied with Joe, and Young was very good. But for some reason, at some point, the 49ers, the guys defending him became bad. Either that or all the other teams got really good at attacking, and he just got wasted. Bang, bang, bang. And then when they hit him hard and smacked him, and they get concussions and shit, because they take him down hard. And he quit the game because of that. He said, nah, this is too much. It's too much. I've made enough money. It's like my brain's still in my skull. I'm going to step down here, because he was just getting taken down. See, now, so what I'm trying to say is that there are real consequences for the quarterback to be hit by these other, always bigger guys. They're big because the quarterback is usually a small guy. He mostly throws, sometimes runs the ball, mostly throws. He just tells people what to do. And I'm speaking for the people who don't know football. Anyway, and he's got the football, and he's going to throw it, or run with it, but mostly throw it. He's going to throw it, and these guys are like within inches of him, and he's moving and moving and moving away, or somebody's about, and nothing disturbs him. The guy is like, he knows in the next second it's going to take him off his feet. He's just boom, boom, boom. Nothing would, disturb him. And that impressed me. That's what impressed me. It's just watching his eyes, watching how he just was not, disturbed by even the fact impending doom in the next moments. That's the kind of control. you need. You see, and then of course it once again increases his abilities. But most people aren't going to do that. Most people are going to react.
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.